San Francisco, a powerful storm churned through Northern California Thursday, knocking out power to tens of thousands and delaying commuters while soaking the region with much-needed rain. In Santa Cruz, about an hour south of San Francisco, an elementary school student was trapped for about 15 minutes when an 80-foot tree fell on him, pinning his arm and shoulder until rescuers with chainsaws cut it apart. He was taken to a hospital in good condition but likely a fractured arm, officials said. Throughout the Bay Area, waves slammed onto waterfronts. Ferries were bound to their docks. Many schools canceled classes and the gusting winds had motorists tightly gripping their steering wheels on the Golden Gate Bridge, where managers created a buffer zone to prevent head-on collisions by swerving cars. The iconic suspension bridge is engineered to swing in crosswinds, and engineers were standing by. But the concern we have right now is more about vehicles, spokeswoman Priya David Clement said. Pacific Gas and Electric reported more than 80,000 outages due to a single flooded substation in San Francisco, but blackouts were much more widespread. 226,800 customers were without power. The utility's online map showed lights out over thousands of square miles, from Humboldt near the Oregon border to Big Sur on the Central Coast.